Now, this is where the magic happens. Do is an organization rooted in science, founded on years of data collection and research. Me? I'm a voiceover artist that actually failed Chemistry 9, but trust me, the real scientists at Do are the sharpest trowels in the shed. You might be surprised to learn that not all soil is created equal. Your first shipment of Do nutrients was custom formulated for your lawn based on Do's one-of-a-kind database of soil types across Canada. Find a place in your yard with good sun exposure. Grab a garden trowel, sturdy kitchen spoon, or channel your inner 5-year-old and add a couple of tablespoons of dirt to the bag. If you're going with the 5-year-old route, I'm contractually obligated to remind you not to eat the soil. Make sure it's all sealed up, pop it in the provided postage-paid envelope, and drop it in the mailbox. I bet you never thought you'd mail dirt, huh? You weirdo. In a few days, the scientists at Do will work their magic and analyze your soil so they can customize the nutrient requirements specifically for your lawn. Jim across the street may have that new custom wrap on his Tesla, but you can take pride in your custom soil.